Well, hello, and welcome back to Paint and Mechanical Solutions. Do I have a story for you? Anyway, as you may have seen in another video, I've got a 2015 Kia Rondo. I put a lift in the back. Well, no, I never put a lift in the back. I put 2-inch rubbers in the coils, which raised it probably an inch, inch and a half, which is great. Now, the front end, I wanted to put new struts on the front end and fix the front end. Anyway, come to find out, this car's discontinued. They don't make it any longer. It's a Kia Rondo. They don't make the Rondo series anymore. So, I might be able to match the strut up. I'm not quite sure, but still, it's not going to give me what I'm looking for, and that's to get the car lifted. So, I've decided that what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a lift in the car. They don't sell a lift for the car. Guess what? I built one. Yes, sir. I took this here, inch and, I don't know, it's an inch and a half, close to inch and a half. Then I got 2 plates. Right here. I got these 2 plates. So I welded 2 plates. 2 plates to the collar on that, right? So you can take this off. Excuse me. It's pretty hard to work with one hand. Anyway, you take that off, and I can put that back on like that. So that bolts to the strut. This bolts to the car. I got another one that I'm making here. It's all set up in the welder. I've been building it, so it's just a matter of finishing the weld on the bottom. And then the top, you see how I got this here? Well, that's got to be cut out in order to fit into the, I'll say, wheel well, upper wheel well. And the next step's going to be, you got to take the wipers off of this. And then you got to take this cowl for your air. It's got to come off, and it comes off fairly easy. It's just plastic pins. The biggest thing is getting the windshield wipers off. Once you take them off, get you access to the bolts back here for your struts. You can drop your strut out. Anyway, with that all being said, I am going to finish that one up, and then I'm going to jack the car up. Oh, no, excuse me, getting ahead of myself. I'm going to take the wipers off. I'll take the cowl off and have that out of the way. Then I'll probably undo the bolts at the top, then jack the car up, unhook the struts, and then I'll put these struts in. And oh, by the way, I got those struts from a junkyard. They were off another Kia Rondo. It had no miles on it at all. It was banged up or whatever in the back end. Nothing touched on the front, so they're good. They're not leaking. They're not busted. Shocks aren't busted. There's no gas leaking on them, so they should be all right. How long they're going to last, I don't know. But with at least one strut taken off the car, at least I can take it and maybe get a cross-reference for, I'm thinking, a Hyundai, because Hyundai and Kia, believe it or not, are both Korean cars. So I might be able to get a strut matched up for this down the road if I do need a strut. But for right now, the process is getting this thing lifted up so it's not dragging on the ground, because that's the biggest problem. This car has been dragging on the ground since I met, well, the better half for the last 5 years. So anyway, it's a nice little car. It's got no kilometers on it neither. So I want to get it fixed up a little bit more. And yeah, I'd like to keep the car because there's no miles on it. So I'm going to drive it, do what I got to do. Because guess what? I could put a lot of money in this versus a new one. Because we just went and looked at a new one here not too long ago. What they were offering for a vehicle on a trade and how much money they wanted besides. Ha 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 ha. What a joke. For a disposable car, a new disposable car versus what you got, trust me, keep what you got. Stay away from the new disposable ones because they're junk.